Assalamu alaikum 8th class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we have exercise 2.5. Today we start the exercise 2.5. Find the square root of the following decimal by prime factorization. First you do only the prime factorization, then the fraction of prime factorization. Today we have the topic of decimal by prime factorization. Part 1 is 1.21. 1.21. Yes class, 1.21 is the decimal. You know that when the decimal is like this, so we write here 1.21, point is finish, and after the down the point is 1. After the decimal mean point, there is a 2 digits. So we write here 2 zeros, 121 by 100. Now decimal fraction change into a common fraction. It's very easy. 121, 11 11s are 121 and 11 ones are. Then the 100 prime factorization in 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. You write here like this. Now the square root of this 11 square, this is the pair of the 2 square and this is the 5 square. So square and under root cancel, square root cancel. Up is the 11 and down is 2 multiply 5 is the 11 by 10 and this is the 1.1. Understand that? Hope you understand this question. It's very easy. The second is find the square root of the following decimals by division method. Division method, you know that the point first part is 0.3249. Yes class, before that we do only like this 3249. This is the you can do it easily, but there is a 0.3249 decimal number. So we write here 0.3249. Make a pair, first pair, second pair, and this is a single. So 0. First is the 0. We write here 0 zeros are 0. This point goes up. Okay. Now it's mean it's finished. Now we have to start all the previous question 3249. Check that what we make a down is the pair 32. Now you check that 32. Which table the 32 will come and the small and the nearest. That 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. That number multiply by itself. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. 36 is the greater, so 5 5s are 25. There is a 2 and there is a 12. 12 minus 5 7, 2 minus 2 0. We write have only 7. Now we down is a pair of the 49. 7 49. 5 is the doubling. 5 plus 5 will be the 10. And you check that this is the 9. You know that 9 is coming on the table of 9. 9 is coming of table of 3 or 7. First we multiply 10 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 0, that is the 109. So again we want 107 multiply 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So 107 and up is the 7. 749. So answer is 0.57. Square root 0.3249 square root is equal to 0.57. Understand that? Listen class, this question. Again you check that. Understand? Hope you understand this question. This is the second part. Second part is the same like this. Third part, check that. Second part 0.5184. But third part is 10.24. Make a pair from right to left. This is the 2 4. Point is the same and this is. You cannot make that. If the question is 0.247, you can't make this. Not like this. Okay, you make a right here 0, then this, then this. If for example, this is the example. So 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. This pair will be going down. 24, 124. 3 is doubling is the 6. Now 6. If we 161s are 61, 62 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 124. Point will be going up. The 62 2s are 124 finish. Understand that? And the next is 648.7209. Make a pair. First pair, second pair, third pair, and 6 is the single. So 2 2s are 4 because 3 3s are 9s. we have to find only 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 will be the 2. This pair going down, 248. 2 is doubling 5 and 2 is doubling 4. Then you add, do multiply, 42 multiply 2, 43 multiply 3, 44 multiply 4. We have to 545 multiply 5 will be the 225. 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. This point will be the going down. No, it is not right. It is finished. This going up. Understand that? It's going up. Okay. Then, yes class. Then the pair 72 is going down. Now 2, 3, 7, 2. Point is finished. Now 45. 45. Last number is 5. 45 plus 5 will be the 50. Okay. Then 51s are 50, 52, then 50, 501 multiply 5, 502 multiply 2, 503 multiply 3, 504 multiply 4 will be this answer. Okay. Now 4 add 508, then multiply 7 up and 7 down, you have to find the answer. Understand? Try to do it self. Okay class, I am with you. You try to do this question again and then tell me. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.